Hey guys, Ray from Love You RV. Just a quick update on this manometer here. It's used to measure gas pressure. It's a good way to check for leaks in the system. Easy way for an end user like me to do it. Doesn't really replace a certified gas inspection or anything, but it's a good way for me to keep tabs on it as I go. Anyway, I did build myself a really crude one using tubing and colored water, which was interesting. I'll link back to that video. But then I bought this digital one here and used it. The problem I had with it was you could see the small little tubing that it came with. That's what it came with. The end pieces just had these little tubes at the end. I was able to put it into one of my stove, pieces of my gas stove, and actually do a measurement, but I was always looking for the right connections so that I could hook it into the quick connect. Now my RV has a barbecue quick connect under there, low pressure quick connect, and then I have the hose. So I finally, scouring Amazon, was able to find a kit, a quick connect kit that came with the right parts, plus I bought this piece, which is a 1/8 inch barbed to a 1/2 inch screw in, and it's got a 1/4 inch gas or tube in it. And then I was able to get this double female, and then this is a 1/4 inch quick connect. So anyway, it was enough pieces that I was able to set it up and use it like that. And so what I do is just turn off my gas right there, so my gas is completely off. And then we see if the system loses pressure. And this particular one actually has a record function. You press it. I think looking online, really you want to let her go for about 3 minutes. And if you have some sort of leak in the trailer, that value will drop pretty quick. You can see it's about pretty close to 10.2, what they call water columns. It's a way to measure pressure in the gas line. This thing also can show you the PSI and other different values, but I basically just leave it on this one. We'll just let that go for 3 minutes and see what happens. Okay, so we're hitting the 3-minute mark here, and nothing's really been changing. Go to the record, shows me max and min, average. So it really hasn't changed much at all. So I'm happy right now I'm not having any gas leaks in the trailer. If you had a really slow leak somewhere in the system, a pipe or whatever, that thing would slowly start to drop. If that was the case, then I'd have to track it down. I have a couple tools for that. Of course, I have the old leak detector that you spread on, and if it bubbles, there's a leak. And then I also have this little gas sniffer device that I got, and it'll actually, if I'm worried about a connection, I can put this thing on it and it'll sniff and send out an alarm if there's gas coming out of it. Anyway, I thought I'd do a little update because people have asked me when I got this thing, I was saying I was going to try to find the connections to hook it up like this, and finally I have found the connections, so I thought I'd post an update video. Till next time, Ray from Love You RV. Cheers, guys.